At Superheat, we've taken operational data visibility to the next level. Our upgraded SmartCenter software delivers unprecedented real-time insights into the equipment used to execute the heat treatment process, expanding beyond temperature monitoring and control to include the critical equipment signals that underpin reliable heat cycle execution. Through our SmartView app and centralized smart centers, every significant equipment operating status and tolerance range is now monitored live. From console control mode, engine speed, coolant temperature, and generator wattage to injector rail pressure, DEF tank levels, voltage draw, and battery reserve, we're providing 100% digital transparency into the most important indicators of equipment system health. It's not just data, it's clarity and knowledge delivered in real time. Our proprietary system continuously monitors critical parameters that affect a heat cycle. If a generator exceeds its power limit, a heater draw exceeds range, or a fluid level falls below tolerance, it immediately notifies the Superheat panel operator and the on-site technician team and automatically triggers fail-safe protocols to protect both personnel and equipment. That means proactive diagnostics, instant collaboration, and corrective action before a heat treatment cycle is compromised. Our smart centers also track calibration statuses across your equipment fleet, including dates, documents, and active status tagging, so every stakeholder is aligned on exactly what's in spec. The result? Better outcomes, fewer delays, and full transparency for both the field and smart center at no additional cost. While others struggle to keep up with the innovation curve, real-time overwatch is simply how Superheat operates. With our latest SmartCenter upgrade, you don't just see what's happening, you stay ahead of it. Better, safer, faster. That's the Superheat difference.